Assalamualaikum. Hello friends. Welcome to my channel Rozina's recipe. Today I will make Karahi chicken. I am going to cook it with simple steps so everyone can cook easily at home. Now let's start. I have taken 1 kilo chicken. First I will marinate chicken with half cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix them nicely and keep it aside at least half an hour. Now I have added half cup oil. I am going to add 4 medium size chopped tomatoes and 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. You can add chili powder also. Now I will cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. When tomatoes become soft, I will add marinated chicken. Now add salt as per your taste. Now I am going to cover it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes I will check. Again I will cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now chicken became tender. At this point I am going to add half cup fried onions, ginger julienne, chopped green chilies as per your taste and chopped green coriander leaves. Mix all the things together. Karahi chicken is ready. You can serve it with chapati or naan. Thank you for watching my video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक करें, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। मेरा अगला वीडियो सबसे पहले फ्री में देखने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस करें।